Jie and this is
Patrick.
And today we're going to make bread with very few ingredients. We'll need
Water,
fresh yeast, sugar, salt, flour, and some butter. And for the instruments, we will need spatulas to mix. Ideally, if you have a digital thermometer to measure the temperature of water, it's okay. Otherwise, we'll use our fingers. We'll show you later. And we need a bread loaf pan and something to mix everything in. So for starters, Patrick, can you heat the water for, I think, 35 seconds. This is 270 grams of water. And we want it to be about between 100 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. And our micro oven probably is going to take about 35 seconds. Well, we'll see. Okay. And now we are 102 degrees. Yeah, good enough. Next we do is we pour 2 tablespoons of sugar and let it dissolve. This is going to feed into the fresh yeast. If you use active dry yeast, we'll take 1 teaspoon, which is about 4 grams, but I'm using fresh yeast, so that's 12 grams. Measured. Let's dump it in. Give you a hand on that. I'm using fresh yeast because the bread usually tastes a little fluffier. It takes a little bit longer to dissolve it. Okay. Let's leave it on the side. Next, we're going to mix 360 grams of flour, all-purpose flour, with a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. And you can use the dry spatula to mix. Okay, so what we can do is take a slightly bigger bowl. Let's dump the flour and salt mixture in there. Move these away. Let's put this liquid dry. It's pretty well dissolved. Now let's mix. Smells good? Okay. Smells like yeast. Okay. This takes a bit of mixing and a bit of time. You could use a standard mixer for this, or you can just mix by hand, and it resembles a pretty wet dough. To get all the flour into the dough. Personally, I like using a very rigid. Let me show you. It looks like that. Personally, I like to use a pretty rigid spatula to do the mixing because I don't want to have my hands getting all floury, kind of muddy, yucky, but it tastes good in here. Mix for about a minute. You want to give it a try? That's a good workout for you. This reddish kind of dough. Want to show? Yeah, it's getting let's get all that dough in there. Okay, let's try that again. That's what it looks like. And let's put the cover on and let it rest for 20 minutes. You want to put the timer on there? 20 minutes? So see you later.
So now after these 20 minutes, how many seconds? Oh.
20 minutes. That's what we've got. So we're going to mix a little bit more. And then we're going to put some melted butter, the 2 tablespoons melted butter in there. So for now, I'm going to try to continue using the spatula. And you see that the gluten has formed. It's getting very elasticy and still very sticky. I'm going to try to put all this butter in there. What are you doing? Oh, no. I need to mix that. Please. Yeah. And it's going to be an interesting task. Mixing butter.
And less sticky.
Try to get it into the dough. Let's see. Okay, thank you. Still a little bit butter in there. Be patient. Getting all the dough and the butter well mixed. Let's see. How long is that going to take? With all the hand washing, probably your skin is getting a little dry also. So this is a perfect way to moisturize your skin. 100% organic with butter. While we're kneading, I like to thank Magic Ingredients, because I got the original recipe from Magic Ingredients. Just search it on YouTube, Magic Ingredients. It's a very interesting site with lots and lots of good ideas. And the second site I also went to get some inspiration is King Arthur Flour. There's a blog talking about the conversion between dry active yeast and fresh yeast. There's a lot of interesting information there, and I'll be trying other recipes from these 2 sites. So our next steps would be, after putting all the butter, incorporate all of that in the dough. We'll let that rest for another 20 minutes, and then we're going to knead it a little bit more. Let it rest for another hour, and then after that we will be shaping the bread, and then after that another hour of final rice, and then we'll be ready to bake. So this is a perfect project on the weekend. You see, butter is almost done.
I think it now looks really like slime.
Really?
Yes. When you took it, it just fell a bit.
You want to touch it? No, go wash your hands. Okay. Alright, see you later. Hi, we're back. It's been 20 minutes. We've been letting the dough rest. And this is what it looks like now. Now we'll have to use our hands. Okay, put it on the side. That's what it looks like. Okay. Oh my God.
No hands.
Okay, well, try to.
I'll mix.
Okay.
Because my hands are.
Oh no, I won't mix. Otherwise, you're feeding your hand before they're cooked. Okay.
Okay, I'll just wash my hands.
Not quite sure what I'm going to do, but supposedly stretching it and getting into something very smooth, and without leaving everything on our hands. Well, we'll give it 1 minute. Supposedly that's how long it takes. Can you put the timer on? Oh, use that on your hand.
How many minutes?
1.
Okay. It looks like there are people that are jumping.
Yeah. Oh well, it should be a minute. What did I get it there? Oh. Oh, let's leave it there. Well, it looks like this. Go, girl. I will see you back in an hour. Okay. Hi, we're back. Oh boy, look at that. Has risen. So, I'm gonna go get it out. It's really sticky. That's why I'm using a
spatula.
Yeah.
It's gonna fall next time.
I'm gonna shake the dough.
Mom, here.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Let's get some more flour. There you go. Cut into 3 pieces.
That's 1 piece. Put flour bits. A bit of flour.
And
2 pieces.
3.
We cut.
This one is a little too big.
We
Here.
give some dough.
So what I'm going to do, have to be tall and long. Okay.
And then put our feet together.
And now I do braid it.
I'm gonna put this away. These are the way.
Get that pan here. I'm going to put some flour. Already buttered the pan beforehand. But just putting some more flour. Make sure that our bread is not going to get all stick. Now
we take it and put it inside.
Put it inside. I want to let it rise for another hour. Where is... cover it. Cover this. Well, maybe I should put some plastic wrap.
That's what I was thinking.
So it's not gonna stick as it's rising. And let's cover it up and put it in a warm place like the oven. I will see you later. Bye.
It's been a hour and we're going to check it out.
Okay, the oven is not heated. We're just keeping it there to warm it up. Ooh. Let's look at that. Bring it over. I'm going to show. Like this. Alright. Now we're going to put an egg wash. I will be baking it. Can you put the 350 degrees, please?
It's already to 300 degrees.
350. Start. I'll put, yeah?
Start.
Yeah. And I'm putting an egg wash. You can choose to put Instead of egg wash, you can put milk or butter. See how it turns out. By the way, it's the first time we're trying this recipe. Hands again. Hold on, no, not yet. Okay. Don't drop it. There we go. Okay, now we're just waiting. Now we'll wait for it to bake, and we'll come back. So it's 350. We are putting it in. See you back. Hello, it's been 45 minutes. Let's take a look.
So now the bread is finished cooking.
Wow. Smells good. Turn it off. Okay. Squeeze it a bit. Ooh. 拿去。Small piece. Ooh. You want some butter? You want some Nutella?
Nutella.
好吃不好吃？
好吃。
All right. See you next time.